You could have come in a human form, you know?
Oh, you want me to change? How about this? Or maybe this one.
I created this in the latest Seedance 2.5 model, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly where you can use it and how to generate videos like this yourself, live, step by step.
Later, I'll also compare the results with Google's Omni Flash model. So let's jump in and I'll build this with you in real time. By the way, I'll be using this platform called XMK, where you can use the latest Seedance 2.5 model, as well as Google Omni and other video models. First up, text to video, no reference images, just a written prompt. I've already written out a full scene, dialogue, camera angles, lighting, timing, describing a comedic bit between a man and his robot girlfriend on a date. He makes an offhand comment about her looking more human, and she takes it a little too literally, cycling through different looks trying to guess what he actually wants. I wrote this the way you'd write an actual shot list, breaking it into specific shots with timestamps and exact details for each one. Let me paste this in now. It needs to stay under 2000 characters, that's Seedance's limit, so I had to be pretty deliberate about what made the cut. If you want this exact prompt, it's in the description below. You can grab it after the video. One thing worth mentioning before I generate, one of the biggest advantages of Seedance 2.5 is that it can do up to 30 seconds in a single video, which is honestly rare for this kind of model. I'm going to keep mine at 20 seconds here just to save some credits, but that 30-second ceiling is there if you need it. For settings, I'm setting this to 16:9 aspect ratio and 720p resolution. That's actually a real limitation of this model right now. It doesn't output in 4K yet, so if resolution matters a lot for your project, that's worth knowing upfront. Alright, hitting generate. This usually takes around 5 minutes. And that's the result you saw at the very start of this video. Honestly, the production quality is unreal to me. When I first watched it back, it genuinely looked like a clip pulled from an actual movie, not something generated from a text prompt. Just to put that in perspective, I also ran this exact same prompt through Google Flow's Omni model to compare. Here's what that looks like.
You could have come in a human form, you know?
You want me to change? You want me to change? How about this? Or maybe this one?
You can immediately tell that one's AI. A big part of that comes down to a real limitation with Omni. It caps out at 10 seconds per generation, so it simply doesn't have the room to build the kind of layered multi-shot scene this prompt is asking for. The prompt adherence suffers too. A lot of the specific details I wrote just don't come through. Seedance handled all of this noticeably better. Okay, now let's build the second video together. This time I want to test image to video specifically for a UGC-style vertical short, the kind of casual selfie video you'd see from an influencer. First, I need reference images. I'll stay on XMK but switch over to the AI image section and use Nano Banana Pro to generate a character sheet. I'm pasting that prompt in now. It's also in the same description document. I'm setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the resolution to 2K since I want a clean, detailed reference to work from. Let's generate that. Now I'll generate a second image, just the sunglasses on their own, so I have a clean product shot to reference separately. Let's run that too. Okay, downloading both of these now. Back over in Seedance 2.5, I'm uploading both reference images. Worth mentioning, Seedance actually supports up to 50 reference images in a single generation. A lot of room if you're working on something more complex than this. I only need 2 here. To use them, you just tag them with the @ symbol. So I can reference the character and the sunglasses directly by name, inside the written scene. For settings this time, 15-second duration, 9:16 for the vertical format, 720p again. Hitting generate, let's see what we get.
Okay, this is my favorite time to ride. The light right now is unreavable. And yeah, these have been living on my face all summer. No slipping, no pinching, just perfect.
And honestly, watching this back, there's no way I would have guessed this is AI. The movement, her expression, the way the light hits the lenses, all of it just holds together. Now let's see the Google Omni version.
Okay, this is my favorite time to ride. The light right now is unreal. And yeah, these have been living on my face all summer. No slipping, no pinching, just perfect.
For me, Seedance 2.5 clearly wins. Let me know what you think. And if you want to try either of these exact prompts, they're both in the description. If you found this useful, drop a like and share it with someone who might find it helpful.
And if you want more AI tool tests like this, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more coming.